Why are there so many bears in Pokemon? It just makes no sense. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. 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 Oh, Pichu, what's up, dude? What, what are you doing? What am I? TikTok. You watch TikTok? No. I hate that. I hate that little app. I just like something that's from it. It's called eating. It's called eating a burger with honey mustard, and it's just looking at the camera, and you're like eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. You wanna try it? Sure. And how do I do it? Well, you think of something that doesn't make sense to you, and yeah. Oh, easy. Why doesn't Pikachu or Raichu or a nasty bot, and I do? It just makes no sense. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. 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 Wait, what's that noise? Pikachu, don't tell him I was here. Oh, okay. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. 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 Eating a, oh, hi, Pancham. Pikachu, my man, what you doing today? Did you, by chance hear Pichu? Huh? Pichu? No, I didn't hear Pichu. Why you ask? Because I thought I heard the voice of a Pichu. Hey, isn't Pichu supposed to evolve into you? So technically, you're Pichu. No, that's not how it works. We're both separate Pokemon. Oh, you're both separate. Why? Hey, you want to try this trend that I just found out? What trend? It's called eating the burger with honey mustard. Really, that thing? No, I just want to look for Pichu. So, have you seen Pichu? Huh? No. I'm just doing this, eating burger with honey mustard. Eating the burger with honey mustard. Eating the burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Well, if you find Pichu, then, just call me, I guess. No, okay. Eating a burger with honey mustard. 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 What the Pichu? What the heck are you? What? Wait a minute. I got a question to ask. What's your question? Why did you hide from Pikachu? Because I don't want him finding out yet. Finding out what? That I'm here. I want to play a little game first. So I'm hiding from him. Hiding from him? Well, I don't think you're doing so well. Wait, what do you mean I'm not doing so well? It's not like he's right behind me. Is he right behind me? No. But he is to the side of you. But he is to the side of you. Wait, so he's not behind me, but he's to the... Oh. So both of you so you lied to me, Pancham. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Ow! No, none of that. Pichu! How could you keep this secret from me that you're here? I wanted to play a little game first. When you before you sees me, you just get all happy. You know what that means? Yeah, but like, come on, we're both friends. You guys are friends? I thought you guys were related. Oh, God. Well, I mean, I am a girl, and he is a boy. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, your feminine voices. Is that supposed to mean something? No, I just thought feminine was, eating a burger with no honey mustard, 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 eating a burger with no honey mustard. Anyways, at least you just told me about you being here with Pancham. eating a burger with honey mustard. And especially because, well, you're my sister. Wait, what? You guys are actually brothers and sisters. Yeah, little sister. Right, she's the big brother. So we're not evolving into each other. Nope. So there's no evolving. Nope. Do you evolve into Pangoro? I mean, yeah, but doesn't mean that Pangoro's not like, hey, look at the time. I think eating a burger with honey mustard's coming on. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Well, welcome to this world I like to call Toyland, or not Toyland, but a place where you just belong. Okay, I guess, but can you play a little game first? What game? The game of hide and seek. I'm hiding, by the way. Yeah. Fine. At least it's better than playing human false flag. I mean, not understanding it. They're gone. Okay. Oh, wait. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. 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 Eating a burger with 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 honey mustard. Whoa, hey, with no mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Eating a burger with honey mustard. Woo! Eating a burger with honey mustard. 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 Wow! Eating a burger with honey mustard. 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 Burger with honey mustard. Eating a 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 burger with honey mustard. Whoa!